Hey guys, what's up? This is Math for Everyone, and today we'll be learning about adding and subtracting integers. So let's get started. Counters. Draw integer counters to represent the expression. Form zero pairs. Then count the remaining counters. If you don't know what zero pairs are, I will be explaining that. And now, okay. So it's saying that, excuse that. Yellow equals 1 and 1 red equals -1. This is +1, this is -1. +1, -1. So now let's do number 1. -6 plus 4. Okay, so let's first draw 6 red circles. 6. Okay. Now we have to draw 4 yellow circles. And now, remember when they said form zero pairs? Whenever there's a positive and a negative, they cancel each other out or form zero pairs. Form zero pairs is a mathematical term, okay? So 1, 2, 3. So we have -2 left because we have 2 red circles left. So -2. Now, this one. Okay, this one's a bit different. Both are negative. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna add this time because both are negative. So we would get -8. Now let's move on to number 3. Okay. Draw 10 yellow circles because one yellow circle 1 equals +1. So now draw 2 red circles. And now let's form zero pairs. Okay, now that we formed zero pairs, the remaining amount of the yellow circles should be our answer. 8 is our answer. Okay, now they want us to write an expression, okay, represented by the counters below. Okay, so -3 plus, because there's a positive number after the negative number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. -3 plus 7 equals, let's first form zero pairs, and now count the remaining yellow dots. So our answer would be 4. Now, same question, but this time the positive numbers go first. 2 minus -5, okay, which equals -3. Right? We formed the zero pairs and then there are 3 red circles left. So that's -3. Okay, number 6. Write an addition or subtraction expression shown on the number line. Okay, -7 minus, and you know why I put -7? The number line that starts from 0 and ends at a negative or a positive number is the first number that comes in the expression. And now if you look above that, now it's going back. So this would represent our second number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. -7 minus 4 equals -3. Okay? Number 7. Write an addition or subtraction expression shown on the number line. Okay, so 9. And now let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Minus 11 equals 2, -2. Or we could do 9 minus -11, which will equal 2. both of these are the same expressions. Okay, number 8. Use the number line below to solve the following addition expression. Okay, so this time we're going to use the number line to answer this. -5. So our first number is -5. So our first line will lead us to -5. Sorry that it's a bit slanted. Now we have to add 4, or like 4. So now we have to move this back, taking us to -1 as our answer. Now this one. Okay, this one's a bit easy. 6. Our answer will be 3, because we end at 3. Okay, so we're done with the first page. Now we're going to move on to the second page. Okay, these are the adding rules of adding integers. So let me sing you the song. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Keep the sign of the higher number, then you'll be exact. Okay, so it's telling us same signs, like if it's negative plus negative, they add and keep their negative sign. But if it's negative plus positive, then the one with the higher the one with the higher number, the highest absolute value keeps their sign. Then I'll be exact. Okay, so this is negative plus positive. Now first take out the sign and now subtract, different sign subtract. 14 minus 8 is 6. Okay? And now which one has the highest absolute value? 14, right? So the answer will just be positive 6 or 6 itself. Now we're going to move on to number 2. 5 plus negative 21. Look, we have a positive number plus a negative number. So now we have to subtract. 21 minus 5 is 16, and the one with the highest absolute value is 21, negative 21. So we have to put the negative sign, and negative 16 will be our answer. Okay, 30 plus 5, that equals 35. Okay, negative 7 plus negative 5. This time it's negative plus negative. Same signs add and keep. So negative 7 plus negative 5 equals negative 12. We have to add these two numbers, and then we have to put the negative sign in front. Same over here for number 5, negative 10 plus negative 17. That equals negative 27. Okay, let's move on to number 6. It's negative plus positive. So first we have to subtract it. 8, and 12 has the highest absolute value. So it will be negative 8. Now, subtracting rules. Change all subtraction to addition by adding the opposite. So K, A, O. K stands for keep, A stands for add, and O stands for opposite. Okay, so let's start. Now we're going to use the rules, okay? First we have to use the subtracting rules and the adding rules. Okay, so first is keep. Okay, we keep the first number. We change, this is only for subtraction, guys, okay? Use it for subtracting, okay? Now we have to turn the subtraction into an addition sign, and then we have to write the opposite of 14, which is negative 14. So negative 8 plus negative 14 is negative 32. Okay, that's our answer. Number 2, 5 minus negative 21. Don't worry about the brackets. There's the negative numbers in the brackets. That's it. So you don't have to multiply anything. So keep 5. Change the subtraction symbol to an addition symbol, and then write the opposite of negative 21. So your answer would be 26. Now this one. 30 minus 5, guys, 25, obviously. Now negative 7 minus negative 5. So we keep negative 7, change it to an addition symbol, write the opposite of negative 5. Okay, so this is what we get. Now we have to subtract because they have different signs, which is 2. 7, negative 7 has the higher absolute value than negative 5, so it will be negative 2. Negative 2 will be our answer. Okay, number 5, 10 minus negative 17. So keep, add, and then opposite of negative 17, 27. Okay, so this one right here, negative 12 minus negative 4. Negative 12 minus 4. Negative 12 plus negative 4. Okay, negative 16 will be our answer. So guys, this is the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please drop a like down below and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you need help, post that down in the comments below. Thank you and bye!